Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here today for a very quick and short video to just pick a winner for um, the kit that I had promised on my Craftspire tutorial for the lace pocket hanger. So I have these three people that entered by saying the word or words that I mentioned. I said you could say flower or flowers, and these are the 5 people that mentioned the word. So we have Alma, which is Alma Ticer. Her channel is Alma Ticer 3737. We have Janet from Crafts and Tea with Janet K. We have Happy Mail Magic. I don't know her actual name because she is a new subscriber. The Brown Dragonfly is Joan, and Janet from Miss J00. Okay, so I'm gonna sorry if I sound a little funny. I have terrible allergies, and that's why I still haven't. It took me so long to make this video because I've been sneezing the entire day for like 3 days now. And it's driving me nuts. My husband says I have a cold. I still say it's allergies, so I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, I decided to come on now since I'm not sneezing as much right now. Let's hope that I don't sneeze at all while I do this video. So here we go. There's the 5. Now I'm just gonna shake this up, and did one fly out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so hold on, here we go again. I should have brought like a little cover. There we go. All right. So here we go. Let's just grab any one of them. Yay! Congratulations, Janet K. Janet K is a very sweet friend of mine. Janet, you won the lace and fabric kit. I hope you enjoy it, my friend. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for you. Thank you all for participating. I love you all, and have a wonderful week, and well, have a wonderful night and the rest of the week. So thank you all again. Hopefully I'll be back soon, and yeah, that's it. I love you all. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.